Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 5. We'll present about the Integrated Disease Management of Chrysanthemum. My name is Azalia Yusriya with student number 195 and my friend are Serina Indira Mulyani with student number 198, Mohamad Hafidh Adityawan with student number 202, Eksita Kusuma Julianne with student number 204, and Alifiandra Soni Putra with student number 208. Introduction. Chrysanthemums are one of the cut flowers and pot flowers that are popular with the public. The demand for cut chrysanthemum continues to increase both domestically and for export. The main problem in chrysanthemum farming is disease attack, which can damage and reduce the quality of the flowers. Environmentally friendly disease control has become a major prerequisite for plant cultivation. For this reason, producers or farmers are required to use more production facilities that are environmentally friendly and safe for health. Number 1 is leaf spot. Chrysanthemums are subject to several leaf spot fungi including Septoria chrysanthemi. Symptoms first appear as yellow spots which turn brown to black on lower leaves first and can coalesce into large necrotic areas, and finally, death of the entire leaf. Leaf spot disease are encouraged by prolonged periods of leaf wetness and high relative humidity.
And then management of leaf spot. The first thing we can do is make sure that our greenhouse with the good sanitation and then regularly clean up and destroy invasive plant debris and handpick symptomatic leaves from likely invasive plants. And if overhead irrigation must be used, we must do water early in the day to allow foliage to dry quickly. In severe cases, application of fungicide containing with the active ingredients such as azoxystrobin, chlorothalonil, fludeoxonil, mancozeb, niclobutanil, propiconazole, or thiophanate methyl may be applied according to label instruction. Next. And then disease of Fusarium wilt. Caused by Fusarium oxysporum, and the first signs of this disease are yellowing of foliage, stunting, and wilting, often along one side of plant. Stems show a reddish-brown discoloration of the vascular system. Cool weather can delay the onset of symptoms, and Fusarium is spread in contaminated soil and infect cuttings and overwatering and poor drainage. Next.
Okay, so for the next is management of Fusarium wilt. Start with using resistant varieties, pathogen-free cuttings or plants, and pasteurized growing media. Adjust pH to 6.5 to 7.0 and use nitrate nitrogen fertilization using biological agents such as Trichoderma species fungi. Next. Okay, the next disease is bacterial leaf spot or bud blight, caused by Pseudomonas cichori bacteria. Symptoms of bacterial leaf spot begin as water-soaked spots that turn tan to dark brown, sometimes with a yellow border. Discoloration may be prominent along leaves, veins, and or lesions may become angular as bacteria growth is limited by major veins. Dark cankers may also appear on stems. Leaf wilting and death often follow.
And then this is the management of bacterial leaf spot. Bacteria persist in or on infected plants, crop debris, infected seed, contaminated soil, and infested pots and tools. Key management practice include planting pathogen-free seed and cultivars, resistant varieties, good sanitation, and avoiding overhead irrigation. Once plant become infected with bacteria, it's best to remove infected plants and thus near them before the disease spreads. Application of biobactericides containing active microbial antagonists B. subtilis, P. fluorescens, and Corynebacterium, as well as synthetic bactericides made from copper, hydrogen peroxide, and peroxytic acid, and streptomycin. Next. And then the last one is gray mold. Gray mold is caused by Botrytis cinerefungi, may occur on petals, leaves, or stem cankers as brown, water-soaked spots. Infected plant parts may be covered with gray to brown of spores. Infected buds fail to open. The pathogen gains a foothold in small wounds, then progresses to cause disease in healthy tissues.
The management of gray mold. Practice good sanitation, including removing infected flowers and leaves. Provide good air circulation and keep humidity down to less than 80%. Using biological agents such as Trichoderma species fungi. Apply fungicides with the active ingredients chlorothalonil, fludeoxonil, benzofindiflupir, criprodinil, menzocap, copper, penhexamide, and azoxystrobin are among these registered for botrytis control. Okay, now the conclusion. Chrysanthemum are one of the cut flowers and potted flowers that are popular with the public. The main problem is in chrysanthemum farming is disease attack, which can damage and reduce the quality of the flowers. Environmentally friendly disease control has become a major prerequisite for plant cultivation. There are several diseases in chrysanthemums such as leaf spots, fusarium wilt, bacterial leaf spot, or bud blight, and gray mold. Some of these diseases can be overcome by practice good greenhouse sanitation, using resistant varieties, pathogen-free cuttings, or plant and pasteurized growing media. Application of biobactericides containing active microbial antagonists and provide good air circulation and keep humidity down to less than 80%. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.